Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you invest in quality bras, underwear, and lingerie, and I sincerely hope you do, hand washing is a must. Now, people seem to make a big deal out of hand washing these pieces, and I am going to show you in this video really how easy, simple, and fairly quick it is to do. But first, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I absolutely love you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. It's the button, it's here, it means everything. Give me a like if you like it. We are also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. About a decade ago, I really started investing in really good quality European bras. Now, it has made such a difference. These bras and actually your underwear, getting nice pieces that fit you well, they are the foundation of everything you put on over. And they actually make you feel so much better if they're comfortable and fit well and you look better. So to me, investing in those is just a really nice thing to do. The thing about it too, it seems a little pricey up front, but if you do it and you take care of these pieces well, they literally last you for many years. I think at one point recently, I had not bought a new bra in like 5 years, and the other ones were all doing great. And that's because I take really good care of them, and I'm going to show you that. So I was really fortunate recently to find this incredible lingerie shop in San Diego called Capriza. And I have a couple episodes. I will link them here and at the end of this video on buying lingerie and buying bras. I learned a ton from Renata, the owner, and it has been so fun. I love these pieces. They have really added a boost to my life. I don't know how else to say it. It's been a lot of fun having them. So I am taking really good care of them because I know that they will last many years if I do that. This is how often I do it. So for my bras, I bought 7 bras, sort of one for every day of the week, and I rotate them a lot. So I don't sweat a lot either in my bras, these bras, the nicer ones, so I wash them once a month. Now the underwear I put in like a little bag and I hold on to those, and then I do those once a week. So no machine washing or drying of these pieces. They're made out of this beautiful fine lace and the materials in them and the elastic. You just never want to put this stuff, they'll get all mangled up in the washer, and the dryer just makes a mess out of them. The elastic in them gets all stretched out and yucky. So I can't stress enough, do not wash in the washer or dryer your nice bras, underwear, or lingerie, and instead follow these extremely quick directions. Now Capriza gave me this little thing on exactly what to do and some of the tips how to do it. Now I already know how to do that, and let me just show you, instead of talking about it, let me show you how easy this is to do.
First thing I do is sort my bras by color, and then I have this little mesh bag that I keep my underwear in during the week before I wash them. You need a good delicate detergent. I either use the Delicate Wash by the Laundress or Forever Now, which is just for bras and lingerie. I use the Laundress's wash and stain bar to get any stains out before washing. That little spoon is for the powder for Forever Now because you need a tiny amount. Then these are washing bins, nice plastic ones that I bought from the laundress. I use them only for washing things by hand. And then I have these nice white towels also that I use just for washing, nothing else. You will also need some sort of a drying rack. I love mine. I got it at Target. It has like 3 different ways I can use it. And then it folds up for super easy storage in a closet when I'm not using it. And finally, a timer, either this or the one on my microwave. Now before I wash them, I'm going to take my wash and stain bar from the laundress. It's really cool. It's like a piece of soap. And you take that and you wet it so that it's going to get nice and sudsy and soapy, and you just put it wherever you find there might be a stain, like under the arms, or if you got some makeup or anything on your bras. I do this with my underwear like before I put them in the little bag, like as I'm wearing them, if there's any kind of little stain or anything that needs to be taken out. It's like a little piece of soap. Again, I usually do it a couple times. Put it on, rub it gently, because these products are so nice and delicate. So rub it nicely and get any stains removed before washing. purposes of this video, I'm going to use both products since I think they work equally well. First, the Laundress's Delicate Wash. I'm just going to do a good size squirt into one of these bins because I'm going to wash about 3 or 4 bras in there. So a pretty good size squirt of that. And then the Forever Now is a product you can buy at nice lingerie shops and online. And it is more of a powder, but I'll tell you, you only need a tiny bit of it because it really soaps up really nicely. I have this little wooden spoon. I think it's about teaspoon size, maybe a little bit less than that, but I'm not going to put any more than 1 little scoop of this teaspoon-sized spoon in there and just put it in sparingly. Now it's time to do the washing. So as I said, I separate them into lights and darks. I like to do the washing in my tub, and I take those bins and fill them with cold water. It gets really nice and sudsy pretty quickly. And then I just take and I put the bras in, agitate them super gently, very gently. This detergent is so good about getting things out. You see it gets very sudsy and soapy. And a light little agitation. These are the whites, and then the darks are coming up. Now I'm just going to set my timer for 30 minutes and let them sit in the tub for 30 minutes. Okay, the timer went off. It's been 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go in and take one of those white towels that I showed you that I use, and I'm just going to lay it down on the floor. Now I'm back in the tub here, and I'm going to take the water out. You can see the water is still a little bit sudsy. That soap is amazing, even with just small quantities. I'm just going to get rid of that sudsy soap so they're not soaking in that anymore. And then I'm going to do a quick rinse out. I'm just going to take the cold water, again, cold water, please, and I'm going to put it over the bras and just get some of that soap out. And I'm doing it very, very gently, just squeezing and doing it very gently. The soap is super sensitive, so it won't hurt anything. Then I'm just going to take and lay it flat on the white towel, and I'm going to do that for every one of the bras that are in the light category. Then I take and fold the towel over so that it soaks up some of the water before I lay them out to dry. It's amazing how much water that towel absorbs so that when you lay them out, they're not soaking wet. And I lay them so that they're inside out and the padded part is actually out getting aired. So I have found that they dry a little bit faster doing it that way. I do the same exact process for my underwear and any fancy nice lingerie that I have. So these will just dry overnight and be good as new in the morning.
That is it, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed this and see how easy it is, and try this with your nice pieces. And if you don't have nice pieces, go out and get them and take good care of them. Would love to hear your comments below on if you already do this, or if you have a different method, or if you're going to try it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.